Hello dear friends, how are you all? My name is Rupesh and welcome back to my channel, The Achievers Education. So today we are on to Planning in Sports part 5 of the chapter. Let us begin with this. Let us study what all topics are there. But today, specifically which you're going to topic which you're going to cover is specific programs, okay, in how do we conduct different specific programs in the field of sports, all right, and what it includes, like sports day, health run, run for fun, run for specific cause, and run for unity. These are some of the specific events which are organized in sports, all right. Let us see and let us have a quick detail about what is that. So, what are specific sports programs? Okay, what are specific sports programs? Specific sports programs जो होते हैं ये होते क्या है? So these are the programs not usually related with competition. It has various objectives like creating awareness about health, unity, then creating awareness about some diseases like AIDS, flu, etc., and then creating or raising funds for charitable organizations. See, just understand this thing. This particular specific sports program which are there, they are not exactly competitions. Okay, these programs are not exactly competitions, but they of course they are organized with different motives. Okay, like what are those different motives? अलग अलग पर्पस क्या है ऑर्गेनाइज करने की, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल हेल्थ प्रमोट करना है हमें तो हम उस चीज के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, हमें फिटनेस प्रमोट करना है तो उस चीज के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, हमें यूनिटी प्रमोट करना है या फिर कोई डिसीज के बारे में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना है तो उसके लिए हम लोग सच काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. ओके, दीज आर द स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स programs. Okay, at the same time we are also organizing these programs for generating funds as well for charitable organizations. Okay, गरीब बच्चों की मदद करने के लिए भी हम लोग कुछ चैरिटी भी हम लोग इकट्ठा करते हैं. Right, moving forward. So next is just a minute. Yeah. नेक्स्ट इज नाउ व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम्स. कौन से अलग प्रकार के स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम्स है वो हम देखेंगे अभी. फॉर एग्जांपल स्पोर्ट्स डे होता है, हेल्थ रन होता है, रन फॉर फन होता है, ओके, रन फॉर स्पेसिफिक कॉज एंड रन फॉर यूनिटी. ऑलराइट, सो लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज अ स्पोर्ट्स डे? एज यू नो, स्पोर्ट्स डे इज अ स्पेसिफिक इवेंट which are mostly organized in the schools. Okay, these are the specific events which are mostly organized in the schools for the students of the school. Okay, wherein one particular day we simply play the sports, right, as I have written on the definition there. Okay, generally a specific day is allotted to carry out physical and recreational activities in school by keeping competitions among children in a school. This is called as sports day. All right, so many of you, as you are students, many of you are aware about the sports day. You all are eagerly waiting for the day that when sports day will come and when we'll be getting a chance to go out and play and lot of things. Of course, every day also you get the chance to go out and play, but then this day is for the competition, right? So you are very excited about it, right? Yeah. So how it helps to the people? It helps to the students for having overall development in themselves. Okay, it helps students to build up leadership qualities. It helps students to understand the importance of brotherhood, harmony, peace and tolerance towards each other, isn't it? So ये सारी चीजें हमको डेवलप करने के लिए हमें हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स डे जो है बहुत मदद करता है. ओके, हाउ डू वी ऑर्गेनाइज स्पोर्ट्स डे? ऑल्सो it is a very important thing. Okay, one particular day you have to fix up. Okay, this is the procedure which I have laid down here. You can pause the video and see that video. All right, so procedure is very simple. We decide a particular date first of all. If we have the venue, then we decide the venue also. Okay, अगर हमारे स्कूल के पास में बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड है, it is very good. और अगर नहीं है तो we go for we fix some place where the events will be taking place. All right, and then we form the committees. Okay, हम लोग कुछ कमिटीज बनाते हैं जिसके अंडर में जो कि ये सारे के सारे इवेंट्स सही तरीके से सिस्टमैटिकली कंडक्ट करेंगी. सो व्हाट आर दोज डिफरेंट कमिटीज? सबसे पहले तो हम लोग एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कमिटी बनाते हैं जो कि सभी कमिटीज की हेड होती है. अंडर विच देन देयर आर सेवरल कमिटीज लाइक इनॉग्रेशन कमिटी, डेकोरेशन, रिफ्रेशमेंट, प्लेग्राउंड, रिसेप्शन, prize distribution committee, so that this all different committees work in their particular area and they are able to carry out the functions of that particular day properly, ताकि किसी के इसमें किसी एक कमिटी के ऊपर या किसी एक बंदे के ऊपर पूरा का पूरा काम ना आए. इसलिए हम अलग अलग कमिटीज बनाते हैं और अपने काम जो है डिवाइड करते हैं. राइट, लेट्स नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड talking about the specific topics, right? So another ब्यूटीफुल प्रोग्राम और अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्राम दैट इज हेल्थ रन. ओके, कहाँ हेल्थ रन ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं. ओके, now remember one thing, this is very first thing which I would like to read it for you, that health runs are organized by the health departments, sports departments and by social organization. okay, usually health department जो होता है कंट्री का, स्टेट का, वो भी कभी कभी इनिशिएटिव लेके हमेशा ये हेल्थ रन्स जो है, हेल्थ रन्स में बेसिकली लोगों को दौड़ना होता है. इट्स लाइक अ मैराथन. ओके, सो पीपल आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस डिपार्टमेंट्स आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मैराथन एंड पीपल आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन इट जस्ट फॉर व्हाट, जस्ट टू इंप्रूव देयर स्पोर्ट्स परफॉर्मेंस, जस्ट टू इंप्रूव देयर हेल्थ. ओके, सो इसमें दरअसल व्हाट इज द पर्पस. ओके, यहाँ पे दरअसल पर्पस ये होता है कि जो भी फीस हम लोग ये हेल्थ रन ऑर्गेनाइज करके हम लोग जो कंडक्ट करते हैं, उससे जो भी फीस आती है, दे आर एबल टू डोनेट इट इन द चैरिटी. ओके, लोगों के काम आ सके इसलिए हम लोग करते हैं. ओके, सो ये बेसिकली एक मेन पर्पस होता है फॉर हैविंग हेल्थ रन. ओके, चलो. हाँ, एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक मेंशन यू हियर इज दैट यहाँ पे कोई कंपटीशन नहीं होता है. पीपल सिंपली रन. ओके, फॉर द हेल्थ सेक. ओके, एंड देयर इज नो एज लिमिट ऑल्सो. ऑलराइट, सो इस प्रकार का ये हेल्थ रन होता है. नेक्स्ट इज रन फॉर फन. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ इवेंट वेयर पीपल रन फॉर एंजॉयमेंट. ओके, खुशी के लिए दौड़ते हैं या फिर कुछ मैसेज स्प्रेड करना है हंसते खेलते हुए ही, तो भी ये प्रकार का रन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. ओके, इन दिस रन usually children also are there, adults also are there, and in this run people are coming up with some theme. okay, किसी प्रकार के costumes पहन लेंगे. अगर उनको किसी को let's say for example environment के बारे में जागरूकता फैलानी है तो environment वाला, earth वाला ड्रेस पहन लेंगे या something like that. okay, just an example I have given to you. So as you can look at the picture and then definitely you can understand that what kind of a run is this, right? So people are here participating only for fun, for enjoyment. At the same time they spread awareness also, right? Yeah. Moving forward, run for specific cause. Okay, now there are several specific causes are there जिसके लिए भी लोग भागते हैं. Okay, so by running for a specific cause means what? We are running here to promote a specific event. For example, AIDS. Okay, अगर हमें AIDS के बारे में लोगों को जागरूक करना है या हमको इसके बारे में awareness create करना है, so we'll be organizing a specific event regarding that. This marathon is only for awareness of world AIDS. Okay, world AIDS, right? Or spread of world's AIDS, for creating awareness regarding the diseases called as AIDS. Okay, so this is the different type of event also which is there where we run for the specific purposes. Here there are different categories also in this kind of marathon in specific running cause. Okay, where you can run specific distance if you want to. Okay, and there are different charges also are there of fees. All right, and also there are some age limits also are there. So these are the different ways how you can part in specific events. All right, yeah. Moving ahead, then run for unity, which is very important. Okay, these are these are not actually kind of runs, but then they are kind of peaceful demonstrations, I would say. Okay, ये एक प्रकार के peaceful demonstrations होते हैं जो running formats में होते हैं. Many of the people are participating in this event to just as to celebrate their independence. Many of the people participate in these events to celebrate brotherhood, to show the brotherhood. Many of the people are participating in these events to show the integrity, national integrity, international integrity also. People are also showing by doing such kind of events. They are also showcasing international integrity as well. Okay, so this is what the thing is. Okay, it is also called as run for unity. So by doing this thing, what are we trying to promote? We are trying to promote solidarity. Okay, हम ऐसा करके हम लोग ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम लोग कितने एकाग्रत लोग होके हैं. All right, how much we are integrated toward our nation. This is what we are trying to showcase by this particular run. Okay, so this is how the your chapter ends up here. Okay, I hope you have liked the video. If you have missed out some slides or any kind of topics, you can definitely pause the video and you can just check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video until now, and really have a good day. Do go and watch my other videos also regarding public speaking and communication mastery as well. You'll be getting lots of value over there. Do follow on my Instagram also, Ritesh Chandekar, and on Facebook also the Ritesh Chandekar only. Okay, by the name of Ritesh Chandekar. Definitely go and watch it. Do subscribe and like to my channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I'm uploading. Keep learning. I'll be also coming up with some question answer series and MCQ series as well, which will be very helpful for all of you all. Thank you so much and have a great day. This is Ritesh Chandekar signing off. Lots of love. Have a good day.